and nothing, and everywhere jeans that is nothing. I want to be able to do it. Anyway, and then I that 1 week, and then I asked Nipase, I need containers where I can put them. Yeah. So she asked me how many. So we had in our ward we had maybe 9 patients. So I said maybe 2. To start with 2 containers for each patient. She ordered them for me. They came. So I was going with patients. Every day I'll take 1 patient. We sit down. Which ones are your properties? Which one do you want and which one do you want to give you? Because when I'm my patient, when they never busy, but they never used to wear them. So we sorted them out. So patient has now 1 suitcase and 2 containers with their things that they could easily access. I put my labels in, it was neat. Yeah? And everyone was finding everything easy to go there. That patient that I want is even my patients now. My staff are here. If someone if they can you get my staff, they'll just say, oh, they're on the left, on the right, on the left, on this shelf. Yeah, because they knew their properties. The moment I got sick, I stopped going to work. I started getting phone calls. Your room is gone. Your room is gone. Oh, you have to come back. Even the patients wanted me back. Oh, if Kerry was here, this room would have been fine. If Kerry was here, my thing wouldn't have. I used to get phone calls from patients. No, they used to call me. You understand that I make sure everything in order. Nikafika nikapesa in order. Because that clean this and then you give me handle. Put the things the way I did them. Cindy said, Grandma after the night. I said, so as a Wakuseni gave us that afternoon. That okay, we saw you accepted Wakuseni like that. Me, I want order. So put the things in order. Everything that we did, and different akakumbuka step of it. My food says I'm not getting the border. My son was whenever I talk to Alasa, my needles they live everywhere. I can relate from anywhere. Yeah, I can switch them and test the way it is. Cannulation things are all over. You don't have buckets to put. Bili kumajika ili kule sikuta ende pali bucket. Wow. Careless chayaba. Mama see a bit. Then the others when I step to pick them afterwards. Then I'm going to go to Zambia also to have this. Yet when they're training, they're trained to maintain sterility. Yeah. And then in a lack of instruments, you find that you finish the cannulation. Would it be proper trays, my pickings? So we should improvise something. So maybe with another thing, yeah, we are we improvise using something else. For example, if you need to see a tray. So that's anything that can receive or keep